Big up Live to Party, J.A. Big up K and True Diva. Big up all of the True Diva them. Big up my friend them straight. Big up my nice, clean sister. Big up my baby father and I'm dead. K and your party nice, loud.
Big up Live to Party, J.A. Stars among stars, I know say K and them party this. And you know say, big up the hustler team over here, sir. And big up my cousin them over here, say, I know say I wish a shellings. Big up my friend over there, sir, scheme team. Cause you don't know say, the Sunday party there, so you know say hustlers them right, sir. Big up all crews. And you don't know, say, we are flash, right now, my frost. K&N, big up your damn self.
Big up Live to J.A. party, yeah. I eat at the real picture quality and video quality. Yeah, with the stars among stars, I'm one big up my nice, clean friend them. On top of the ladies, big up Ken and Kiva and all of the True Diva girls them. Yeah, on top of the girl them for that. Big up Live to J.A. and big up my nice, clean friend Ken for our birthday. And big up my friend them. We're pretty.
Big up Live to Party J.A. Big up my party the 22nd of January. Big up my mother and my father. Big up my friends. Big up Windsor Road.
Big up Live to Party J.A. straight. Big up Diva girl. They must say we that. Yeah, because the party, I must say True Diva's party. And it's shot already and there is no way yet. Big up my party next month, 27. Be there, Duncan Spin. You don't know, it's going to slap way straight. Big up Lab, big up Clean Game, big up True Divas, big up all crew straight. Yeah, big up. Big up Live to Party J.A. straight and big up K&N Party chat and big up my party the 26th of February. Be a US with the girl them, the party up straight. Big up Live to Party J.A. You know, seduction, May 28th. Live to Party J.A. Big up yourself. Stars among stars. My God, the party shot. I remember the Posh Art Spot at the place to be karaoke Sundays every Sunday. Live to Party J.A. Big up your damn self. Well, I want to big up Live to Party J.A. Big up K&N stars among stars. You don't know if they're challenge crew, if they're challenge the thing, they're challenge straight. Big up your damn self. First and foremost, we have to big up Live to Party J.A. And a party ever named Stars Among Stars with a good look. Secondly, big up the H-Team. One team, and that's the H-Team. H-Team Remix Reload. And that me at the seat. Steve Ugado. Just look out feet and book the date. H-Team dead.
Yeah, and with their K&N Stars Among Stars, K&N represent big up yourself to the fullest. Audience came in representing to the fullest, so they are from early, things slap well. We do what we can do, we don't look at and we do the thing. Live to Party J.A. they are shut it up, you see me? Team scheming, all the way there, Papaya fuck it up, whole thing good. Cooling, Mampy, World Works, big up. Lady Seduction, World Works, big up. Alright, 28th of May, Seduction, Duncan Spin, baby, big up yourself. Upping man, mother man.
Big up yourself, you don't know your party, shot stars among stars. Big up Live to Party at J.A. Cover all of the big party them round here. I'm more to big up the party, we are going to go on weekend industry girl, them party, you know, so the party they are going to shot. So keep it up more for events like this, boom.
Yeah, I'm want big up Live to Party. I'm want big up Stars Among Stars. I'm going to big up my party, 12th of February straight. Have to be there. Make sure they're there. Big up the cheerleaders them, yeah. For them look nice. Make them up.
You don't know what the Stars Among Stars, yeah. K&N your party shots. And you know Friday the 22nd of January, I'm a fish fry and birthday bash. Big up Get Rich Team, Jeremy and the crew.
Big up Garfield.
You know it's a girl Tina No Response and Sambra representing for Stars Among Stars. Sam, what you say? Cause you are the host for this, you know, though.
Big up Live to Party. Yeah, big up K&N. You don't know your party. Sell off. Happy birthday, girl.
You know, say a Spanish don't do it tonight, though. Portmore Rarick from, though.
Yeah.
Tina No Response and Sambra checking in and checking out.
It's one thing in life, I'm staying on my list. You see, I can't go and dance and buy one buckle of water, support who may support. But do it. But now the follow through support can buy Moscato and anything and all of these things. Now when me I drink my buckle of water, pussy no more than me, man. Tell about me.
No frighten feet us. Continue. King Kong. Using the one king. Hey, shit. Papa boy, turbo come on the line up here now, Papa. No frighten feet us. No one shoes are done, no pill. Enough of them. Use them. Free the sound easy. Fun and kind of shake. See up the time. No frighten feet us.